Hi everyone, so I'm back today to do a quick couple of tags with you. These tags, the background tags that I'm using, they're from ARTYmaze and they are from her tag galore kit, which is over on her, it's not on her Etsy, it is on her coffee shop. So as you can see at the side here, I've got some tickets and labels and birds, and that's what I'm going to be working with. So just sit back and watch the process. I'll put a little bit of music on, and if you have any questions you can ask down in the comment section below, and yeah, so just enjoy. So that's us nearly done. Thanks for staying with me to watch this. I hope it's been useful. These are really quick and easy things to do. You know, you don't need much when you've got lovely designs to play around with. You don't need many things to put together to to make like nice tags or journal cards or anything in general, really. So yeah, like I said, any questions, just ask below and I will get around to answering you as soon as humanly possible. Yeah, just thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all again very soon.